Hi, I'm Miss Ashley, and today I'm going to read you Everyone Loves Cupcake by Kelly DiPuccio, pictures by Eric White. Everyone Loves Cupcake by Kelly DiPuccio, pictures by Eric White. Everyone loves cupcake. Coffee loved cupcake, a latte. Cake loved cupcake, I do. Brownie loved cupcake, I'm nuts about her. Angel Food Cake loved Cupcake too, but she didn't count because Angel Food Cake loved everyone. Cupcake worked hard on getting her friends to like her. Thank you, grazie, merci. Everywhere she went, Cupcake tried her best to impress. Her smile was brilliant. Her wave was impeccable. She even wore a tiara. Everyone loves a tiara. Only the tarts were jealous. Look at her, not a single sprinkle out of place. Cupcake worried a lot about what everyone thought, so she worked extra hard at being extra perfect. She fussed, she fixed, she fussed, and fixed some more. And she never stopped talking about how perfect things were. After I rescued these sweet little guys from a burning oven, I alphabetized the spice rack. Cinnamon Bun rolled his eyes, Turnover walked away, and Muffin blew his top. We get it. Everything is so perfect. Who, me? Eventually, no one wanted to spend time with Cupcake. Can't, I'm an early riser. I would love to, but I have to take a bath. Even worse, they pretended she wasn't there. Nobody likes me, Cupcake sniffed. She was feeling crummy and all alone. Finally, Cookie offered her some advice. Be true, be you. Cupcake smiled. You're really smart. Thanks, Cookie blushed. Everyone loves a smart cookie. May I have your attention? I have something to tell you, clink, clink. She paused and took a deep breath, then blurted out. This isn't the real color of my frosting, and I hate birthday parties. Everyone gasped. The room went quiet. And then everyone cheered. Cupcake's friends took turns sharing their true feelings. I don't really like New York. Sometimes I feel empty inside. I can be a little flaky. Indeed, nobody is perfect. Not even Angel Food Cake. Cake was here. Yep, everyone loves Cupcake, especially Cookie. I do.